Good morning.
Good morning. I like it.
What do you think?
It's perfect.
It's perfect? Santa brought you a lot of stuff.
Yeah, he did.
You see your dollhouse? With an elevator?
Go check it out.
What's this?
Oh, that's the button that makes it go.
Guess who gave you that?
All right, here, take your foot off, and that way it goes forward.
Let go of the buttons! Let go of the buttons!
Hold on to the handle, let the mirror.
That's fun.
Here, this is the handle right there. See?
Let go! Let go! Let go of the buttons!
Yeah,
We'll practice that outside.
Can you believe that dollhouse?
Look how big it is. Hey, what's that?
Santa!
Oh.
Santa!
Wow.
Isn't that what you asked Santa for?
What else did you ask Santa for?
A pink one, too. A pink one.
2 of them.
Wow.
Pink? I like them.
You like your shopping cart?